macOS has a powerful built-in screenshot tool that lets you capture a screenshot of your entire screen, a selected app window, and a portion of your screen. You can even record videos using this tool. However, there's one missing feature, which is the ability to capture scrolling screenshots. In this guide, I will show you how to take a scrolling screenshot on Mac for free. Since macOS doesn't have a native tool, we will use a third-party screenshot software to accomplish this task. I use Shottr as it's the most powerful and the best screenshot app for your Mac, but it costs money and might not be for everyone. So for this guide, I will use a free screenshot app called Shottr. The app is free to download and use for 30 days. After the free trial expires, it reminds you to buy the paid version, but that's not mandatory. You can keep using this app for free. With all that said, let's see how to capture a scrolling screenshot on Mac. Launch Safari or any other browser and visit Shottr's website. You can find its link in the video description. Click the download button to download the app. You will get a DMG file. If you have not installed an app from outside App Store before, don't worry, it's pretty simple. Double-click on the DMG file to open the installer window. Drag and drop the app into the Applications folder. After you install the app, eject the installer drive and delete the DMG file as you don't need it anymore. Now, you can launch the app from the Applications folder, Launchpad, or Spotlight. When you launch the app for the first time, it will ask for permission. First, click the Open button to open the app. Now, click the Open System Settings button and enable the toggle next to Shottr. Enter your password and hit the Enter key. Now, click the Quit and Reopen app to grant it necessary permission. To make taking a scrolling screenshot easier, we will set up a hotkey. Click the Setup Hotkeys button and enter a keyboard shortcut next to scrolling screenshot option. I will enter the keyboard shortcut command option 0, but you can add any keyboard shortcut you want. Now, open the app where you want to capture the scrolling screenshot and hit the command option 0 keyboard shortcut or the one you have set. You will notice that Shottr need another permission to work. You will get the same box dialog with Open System Settings button as before. If you don't get it, like here, go to System Settings, Privacy and Security, Accessibility, and enable the toggle next to Shottr. Confirm with your password, and now we are good to go. If that felt too much, don't worry, you won't have to grant these permissions ever again. Now, let's try again capturing a scrolling screenshot of web page. I will open Safari and hit the command option 0 keyboard shortcut. You will see a crosshair appear on the screen. Drag it to select the area that you want to capture and let go. Shottr will automatically scroll and capture the screenshot without you doing anything. In fact, don't touch your mouse or keyboard during the operation as it might stop it. Once the app takes the scrolling screenshot, it will open it in a window. You can click the Save button and save the scrolling screenshot on your Mac. Just to show that the Shottr can take scrolling screenshot for any Mac app and not just browser, I will open the Good Links app, which is my Read It Later app of choice, and see if that works. As you can see, Shottr has taken the scrolling screenshot on Mac with no issues. And that's about does it for this video. Click this video next to learn about 9 more free Mac apps that are as useful as Shottr. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.